Alright, back to the ball game. We're going to the third quarter or second half. Official score po muna natin. 27-26. Let's go. Basket. Oopsie. Out of bounds. No good. What an extra pass, number 69. That's a foul. Shooting on the line, jersey number 55, Glores. First shot is good. Second shot is good. 31-28. Gets a three, short. Save. Ayan na. Number 37 for 3. No good. Oh, too strong. Rebound by Glores. Glores. Oh. At nakalusot na nga ron si Glores. Gets a foul. Who's pa rep? Take a shot, no! Rebound ng San Beda. Ayan na, all the way. Uy, sumabay ka pa, sabi ng San Beda ron. Di kita lang ating pong laban, Cheng. Munti ka na agawan. Vergara, oh, still good hustle for us. Lasal. Oh, sorry, that's San Beda rather. Mapaulit sa isang lamang ng ating Xavier. Oh, another steal. Ayan na. Akin na to. At dito po, change favor. Time out ang ating Xavier. 34-33. Tingnan natin ang huddle ni Coach Ian Mazo. Time remaining 5 minutes and 29 seconds. Back to the ball game. Number 60. Uy! What an extra pass. Sheng. Steal. Ng San Beda. Number 60. And off to number 13. Gets the 3-bang. 3-point. Uy, libreng-libre. SUE finding the open man. 35-39. O correction, 40. 40 po yan sa ating official. Bounce pass. Block. At naka-recover ang San Beda doon. 42-35. Ang bumabawi ang San Beda dito sa ating third quarter. Kick out. Vergara. No good. Rebound ng San Beda. Number 24, 4-3. Wala. Spin move and score. 44-35. Ayan na, trap pass. Ooh! Basket para kayong 37-44. Number 13. Crossover. Step back 3. No good. Rebound. Here comes Cheng. 3 against 2. Cheng. Basket para kay Cheng. 39-44. Baba sa limang-lamang ng San Beda Alabang. Number 60. Munti ka na maagawan and gets a foul. Para kay Vergara. One minute and 48 seconds. Whoa, wala. Jordan Yeng. Back to Jordan. Backdoor pass. Vergara 4-3. No good. Last 59 seconds. Uy, nice pass to the 44-41. What a comeback para sa Xavier. Down by 3. No, rebound by Jordan. Gets the shot. Uy. And that's the end of our third quarter. Official score 44-41 in favor of the San Beda Alabang. Okay, fourth and last quarter tayo. Sino kayang magwawagi between these two sa ating aspirant 2010 season nga para sa ngayong taon? Alright, let's go. Fourth and last quarter. Bola rito ng ating Xavier. Fourth quarter, let's go. Cheng. Pass to Flores. Kick out. Cheng for 3. Oh, sorry, no good. Number 69 and gets the foul. Good. Wala. Steal by Flores. Oh! Gets a foul. Uy, bad pass. Still, lang last San Beda. Spin move, block from behind. Number 69, fadeaway shot, no good. Rebound, C, out at pass. Here comes Jordan. Yang, basket yan. At sinigurado na doon ni Jordan. 47-43. Number 13. Pull up jumper, no. Rebound, bad pass. Kick out, stop and pump, no. Rebound by Cheng. That's a foul. Back to the ball game. Steve with school basketball. Cheng. Pass to Jordan. Oh, steal. Number 15 and score. 49-43. Vergara, pass to Jordan, to D. D, stop and pump. Oh, at nakalusot na nga roon si D. Babasa apat na lamang ang inahabol ng ating Xavier. Gets a foul for Vergara. Number 68, backdoor pass. Number 13, too strong. And that's offensive foul. Pushing foul for San Beda. Time remaining, last 6 minutes para sa ating fourth and last quarter. Sino kaya ang unang makakuha ng panalo at unang makakakuha ng pagkatbigo? Uy, offensive foul. At nakabawi ron ng San Beda. Number 60 to number 13. Oh, steal. Vergara. Ay na si Vergara. No good. And there's a foul. Munti ka pang may pasok doon. Sayang. 2 shots para kay Hui. First shot is good. Second shot for Hui. Wala. Rebound ng San Beda. Number 11 for 3, no good. Oy, bad pass. Number 69, up and under, no good. Number 11 with a putback. Akat sa limang. ng San Beda. Flores. Oh, and one for Flores. Baba na lamang sa 3. Flores for bonus shot for a 3-point play. Wala. Rebound by number 88. Ayun na ang San Beda, number 13. Handoff. Number 66. May tangan ng bola. Pinasa loob. Oy! What a reverse layup. For the 8:53, Flores. Flores to the running shot and one. Basket count and one para kay D. .53 bonus shot for D. Wala. Ayan na. Paikli na ng paikli ang ating oras. Number 11 for 3. No good. Rebound by Vergara. Vergara. Ayan na si Flores. Tap and pump. Short. Rebound by number 88. Oh, na-step on the line. Bola rito ng Xavier. Cheng, may tangan ng bola. Pass to Flores. Flores. Pass to Cheng. Cheng setting on the screen. Cheng, 4-3. Short. Rebound ng San Beda. Number 88. High pick up. Ooh. And there's the blocking foul. Two shots para kay jersey number 88. Second shot, basket na naman. 55-50, balik sa limang lamang ng San Beda. D, handoff, Vergara to We pass to D, using the glass and score. Balik sa tatlong lamang ng San Beda. Pull-up jumper, no rebound. And there's a foul again. Penalty tayo. Both teams under penalty situation. Shooting the line, jersey number 3, Cheng. First shot is good. Second shot, basket na naman. Isa na lang ang hinahabol ng Xavier. Oh, still. Ayan na si Cheng. Too strong. Offensive rebound. Oopsie. Sayang. Napalakas nga lang ang pasa doon ni Flores. Oh, that's a timeout. First timeout. Xavier. 2 minutes and 9 seconds, 55-54. Tingnan natin ang huddle ni Coach Ian Mazo of our Xavier School. Alright, back to the ball game. Let's go. Xavier School basketball. Or Xavier. Or rather, San Beda Alabang basketball. Bounce pass. Oy! Iba ng matangkad. Grabe. Nauna na ang matangkad sa libaba. 57-54. Last 2 minutes na tayo. Cheng. Pass to deep. Back to Cheng. Cheng. Oy! Last touch. Same ball. Flores. Backdoor pass. Cheng. Pull up jumper. Oh! What na ihabol ni Cheng. Ang tirang yun. Baba sa isang lamang. 57-56. Number 60. Oy! Good hustle for Flores. Pero walang foul ang itinawag. Remaining time, 1 minute and 24 seconds. Time out, San Beda Alabang. Alright. Meron na lamang po na tayong natitirang 1 minuto at 24 segundo ng ating laban. 57-56. 1 point lead para sa San Beda Alabang. Let's go back to the ball game. Bola rito ng San Beda Alabang. Yan natin na magiging play nila. Number 88, may tangan ng bola. Gets the 3. Wala. Rebound, number 11, block by Cheng. Uy. Nabunggo ang mukha. Parang may tulak nga ang nangyari doon. Shooting at the line, jersey number 88. Tama ba? Basket. .58, 56. Second shot is good. Balik sa tatlong lamang ng San Beda Alabang. Tingnan natin ang timeout ni Coach Ian Mazo. 1 minute and 6 seconds left ng ating laban. Alright, back to the ball game. Bola rito, yun ang ating savior. Cheng. Let's go. Tingnan natin kung ano magiging plan ng savior. Hand off to Vergara. Vergara, cross-court pass. Uy, attacking the basket. Blocked by number 88. Kaya na ang San Beda. Nagmamadali, nabitawan. Pass to number 88. Umatake, wala pa rin. Rebound by D. Kaya na ang savior. Vergara, pull up 3. Bang! 3-point for Vergara. Grabe yun. Time out dito. Ang San Beda. Tabla tayo sa 59. Remaining time, last 37 seconds. Hand off to Vergara. Vergara, cross-court pass. Attacking the basket. Blocked by number 88. Kaya na ang San Beda. Nagmamadali. Nabitawan. Pass to number 88. Umatake. Block red. Rebound by D. Kaya na ang savior. Alright, back to the ball game. Kaya na, malapit na ako malobat. Sana umabot tayo hanggang dulo. 37 seconds remaining. 59 all. Let's go. Tignan natin kung mag-overtime to or magkakaroon ng himala. Ora na ang San Beda. Ooh! That's a foul. Crucial free throw para sa San Beda, labang may jersey number 88. Ayan na, first shot. Oy! Ayan na. Lamang ang San Beda. Ang isa. Second shot. Number 88. No good. Rebound ng savior. Last 33 seconds. Cheng. May tanga ng bola. Tingnan natin. Cheng. Pumatake and gets the foul. Wow. Crucial free throw for Cheng. Kaya natin ang tira ni Cheng. Ayan na. Oy, wala. May pagkakataon. Ang San Beda, last 22.6 seconds. Ayan na. Malapit na tayo sa dulo. Second shot for Cheng. Cheng! Bang! Tabla tayo sa 60. Last 22 seconds. Ayan na. Ang San Beda. Sino ang titira? Number 69. Tumatake. Block. Oy! Another block. Isa pa! What a putback for San Beda. Time out. Ang savior, last 11.3 seconds. 62-60. Grabe yun. Munti na pangatlong. Tingnan natin ang last timeout dito ni Coach Ian Mazo. If I'm not mistaken, is it a quick 2 or a buzzer beater 3? Tingnan natin ang gagawin ng ating Xavier School 2010 aspirant. Let's go! Grabe ang intense na laban. Last possession. Di pa tapos ang laban. 11.3 seconds left. Sheng ang maglalabas. Sino tatanggap? Binigay kay Vergara. Vergara, pass to Cheng. Cheng, susubok. Pass to D. Oh, still! Ng San Beda, number 60. And that's a foul. Wow! 0.3 seconds left. 62-60. Walti ka na yun. Grabe, ang depensa pinakita ng Sondera. Oh, at sinelyohan na ni number 62 ang laban. 63-60. Second shot. Wala. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating laban. Muntikan pa yun. What a good game from both team. At ito po ang ating unang kabiguan for this season. Panalo po. Congratulations to San Beda Alabang and a nice game for our Xavier School 2010 aspirant. Our final score 63-60. Congratulations San Beda Alabang and a bounce back to our aspirant 2010 Xavier School. Alright, and that's a wrap. Magkita-kita po tayo for our next live. Maraming pong salamat sa inyong walang sawang pagsuporta at pag-call po sa akin, especially for Xavier School. Ayan, maraming pong salamat. Hanggang sa muli. Please don't forget to like and share and follow me on Facebook. At sa mga gusto pong manood ng replay, at may ipopost ko po siya sa aking YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like and share my YouTube channel. Yan, ano na po, pa-subscribe na lamang po. At para dumami pa tayo. Maraming pong salamat. Hanggang sa muli.